Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you generate income without having to actively work for it. Passive income is a great way to earn money while you focus on other things in life, such as your job, family, or hobbies. So, let's jump right into it. Rental properties. One of the best passive income ideas is investing in rental properties. You can purchase a property and rent it out to tenants, generating a steady stream of income each month. Rental properties can generate a significant amount of passive income, especially if you invest in properties in high-demand areas. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to earn passive income. By investing in stocks that pay out dividends, you can earn regular payments without having to actively manage your portfolio. Dividend stocks are a great option for those who want to invest in the stock market but don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses, earning interest on your investment. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as the lending platform handles most of the administrative work. However, it's important to do your due diligence before investing in any peer-to-peer lending platforms. Create and sell digital products. If you have a talent for writing, creating graphics, or designing websites, you can create digital products such as ebooks, templates, and graphics and sell them online. Once you've created the product, you can earn passive income each time someone purchases it. This is a great way to leverage your skills and generate income without having to actively work for it. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. This can be a great way to earn passive income if you have a blog, website, or social media following with a large audience. By promoting products that align with your audience's interests, you can generate income without having to create your own products. So there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you generate income without having to actively work for it. Whether you're looking to invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, or start your own online business, there are plenty of ways to generate passive income. Remember, passive income takes time and effort to set up, but once you've established your passive income streams, you can enjoy the benefits of a steady stream of income for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content.
Like and subscribe to get more videos. Like and subscribe to